Welcome to the Peer Mentor Training Program, Physical Activity Knowledge, Spinal Cord Injury. In this third module, we will once again be looking at the how often, how much, how hard, and how to. This time, for the second part of the recommendations in the guidelines, strength training activity. Again, for fitness benefits, adults must add a minimum of 2 bouts of strength training exercises per week. Remember, this represents the minimum amount. In each bout of strength training, the guidelines tell us that an adult should strive to do 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions of each exercise for each major muscle group. Remember, a repetition is when you go through the full range of motion in the exercise, from beginning to end and back once. And 1 set is when you do 8 to 10 repetitions of that exercise. The How Hard section offers some guidance on how many repetitions of each exercise a person should be doing to see fitness benefits. Also, as in the aerobic activity section, fitness benefits only happen when activity is done at a moderate to vigorous intensity. Again, please refer to the intensity classification chart on the SCI Action Canada website. There are many options for how to meet the recommendations in the guidelines. Some of the options are using free weights, elastic resistance bands, cable pulley machines, weight resistance machines, or FES, or a combination of all of these. As long as you are following the how much, how hard, and how often, the how to is really up to you. As you can see, there are many options for adding strength training activities. One of the easiest ways is by using resistance bands. At this time, I would like to direct you to the Active Homes tab on the SCI Action Canada website. Here you will find the Active Homes manuals and videos that show how a person can add strength training activities into their daily routine right in the comfort of their own home. But strength training is not just about getting big muscles.
The goal of strength training activities is not necessarily to bulk up and get visible improvements in muscle size. The guidelines that we have created are to improve muscle strength. And muscle strength can be improved without any sort of visual evidence of bulking up, if you will. And so you'll be able to notice that you'll be able to perhaps transfer easier because your muscles are stronger, or turn over in bed because your muscles are stronger. And there may not be any sort of visual sign that your muscles have bulked up. Certainly if you do extensive strength training and challenge your muscles really hard, you will get improvements in muscle size, but that is not necessarily the goal of following the guidelines.
So remember, meeting the recommendations is as easy as 2 times per week, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps for each exercise for each major muscle group, and don't forget to rest between reps, sets, and exercises. And how people meet the recommendations is the fun part. In the next module, we will be looking at a variety of ways a person can use sport to meet the recommendations in the guidelines, as well as doing something that can be fun, social, challenging, and competitive.